Welcome to the topic one golden study guide video. Remember, a lot of this test is going to be, there's about 25 multiple choice, vocabulary. So you want to use your Quizlet and study your notes on the vocabulary, which are found in the PowerPoints for that portion of the test. But what I'm going to go over with you right now are some of the topics that will be covered on the multiple choice portion of the test. So the first one would be, if I showed you this picture, this is a man riding on a tractor, and I was to ask you, what is an example of physical capital in this photo? You should be saying the tractor, because physical capital, this is going to be something, excuse me, it's man-made. We have two types. We have physical and human capital. Well, we're not showing him thinking. So this physical capital is this tractor that's man-made and is used to produce crops. Now, this next figure here, you all saw this in the PowerPoint. These are marginal costs, and this is where we're talking about our toy company. Excuse me. So again, we're doing units of 1,000 toys. So on the initial 1,000 unit, our cost is $10 per toy. For the additional 1,001 to 2,000 toys, our cost is $2 a toy. So if I was to ask you, hey, what is the marginal cost on the 1,001st toy? Well, that second half over here, this one is 1,001 to 2,000. So it's going to cost us $2 to produce that 1,001st toy. The 1,000th toy was $10, but the 1,001st is only going to be $2. Now, our next one, you may see a table like this. This is a production possibility table. Should be able to draw a curve with all these XY coordinates, okay? But if I was to ask you to look at this graph and say, why can't they produce any shoes when they're growing 21 million tons of watermelons? Why? Why can't they? Well, let's go and let's look right here, okay? If we look here at the bottom, when we're producing 21 million tons of watermelons, we can't produce any shoes because resources are limited. I've only got enough people hired to do 21 million tons of shoes or 15 million pairs of shoes or watermelons. I can't do that number in both. So when I'm utilizing all my resources in watermelons, I have nothing left over for shoes. So again, resources are limited. And let's look at the last multiple choice. If I asked you, okay, this shift from this red line A here, it actually looks orange to me, to the blue line, it says purple, but it looks blue to me, C. So what is this shift, this outward shift indicative of? What does it mean? What does it mean about the economy? Has the economy grown or has the economy shrunk? And think about that. I just went economy grew, economy shrunk. So if the line went out, what's going to happen? The economy has grown. And look at here, boom. A, before economic growth. C, after economic growth. Here, economic growth. So this shows the economy has grown. And that is all I've got for the multiple choice section. So study well, and I'll see you for the test on test day.